I'm back with Cameron Avery. I got the micro profile like you guys wanted me to. I got a bunch of comments. So, alrighty. So, I already got that mounting bracket on. I just have to open up the whole box. So, let me just get that. Wrong way. Ooh, we got the smoke detector. The smoke detector with the battery already inside, but it's not fully on. So we're gonna switch the battery and make sure the plus is right on this side. Alrighty, so let's do a test. I'm gonna cover this thing because this is really loud. Here we go. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take this smoke detector and twist it clockwise. And there you go. I'm building a house, so here we go. That's the first thing I wanted to do. Alright. So that's it. Thank you, people, and good night.